Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to our channel. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You know why? Because finally that time is coming near when we can start wearing our cute little summery tops and dresses. मुझे तो बहुत ही पसंद है and I was waiting for this time. 2 महीने से क्योंकि दिल्ली में 2 महीने की ठंड पड़ती है बट एनी वे ऑल्सो नॉट टू फॉरगेट वैलेंटाइंस डे इज कमिंग we have to look so hot and sexy and glamorous. But that is not possible until and unless we are wearing right kind of lingerie. I mean, that's a big task. But don't you guys worry, I've got you all covered because Zivame is having their first big sale of this year. They're having their big Valentine's Day sale, which is happening on 3rd Feb at 8 p.m. where they're having up to 50% off plus free shipping, and you can also go for return or exchange within 15 days. And I have ordered so many things from their breakup sale. Why break up? Don't get the meaning wrong. They are not against love. So what it basically means is if you're having a bad relationship with your old bra, it's high time. Just break up with them. If they're not making you feel comfortable anymore, just go ahead and break up with them. With that being said, let me now show you what all I got and how you can wear them. So let's get started. Also guys, one more thing. You can also use my specialized coupon code, which is Sonia Zivame, for additional 10% off. जाओ guys, Valentine's के मजे करो, खुश रहो. Alright, so first I have this glitz padded wire bra which has a 3/4 coverage. First of all, look at the whole thing. Like no one can tell it's a bra. Yeah, it's a complete package. It's like the whole bra. Like मैं ऐसे दिखा रही हूँ वो अभी भी नहीं लग रहा है. It's looking like a cute top or a crop top or a blouse also. And the best part is it does not come with hooks. It comes with this zipper at side which makes it so easier for you to carry it throughout the whole day. Like you can easily get yourself into this and you can easily remove this bra. It's super duper easy and comfortable because this material is super stretchy, and at the back it's also giving me that very sexy, feminine, lacy vibe which is like so cool and hot, of course. And you can dress it up or dress it down. I mean, you can create so many looks and not just wear it as a bra. And when I looked at it, I was like, wow, this is so unique. And like I never thought कि ऐसा भी कुछ होगा, but this is like so much fun to wear and experiment with. Like not only you can wear it with your pants and blazer, but you can even wear it as a blouse for your Indian attires के लिए. It will look so cool, and it has all the golden and shimmery work happening, so you do not even have to accessorize it a lot because this thing is doing its homework खुद से with the mesh detailing which is making it look like a top, and you do not have to get it stitched from somewhere else. Like it's coming with a zipper, perfect support, perfect sexiness. Everything is just perfect about it, so just go ahead and get it. Alright guys, so next I have this backless bra which I would suggest every one of us should have at least one in our wardrobe, because this beauty right over here is going to be saving you in a lot of your tricky situations, trust me. Because considering me, I love wearing these kind of tops जो कि different cuts and shapes and sizes में होते हैं, तो मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा help करता है. And personally, one thing which I love about these kind of bras is that first they are non-wired, so that just keeps me comfortable throughout the whole day and it just does not kill me, trust me. Plus it gives me a really nice 3/4 coverage with nice padding right over here, so it's gonna hide everything. And on back side, if you'll see, you're getting nice and very smooth transparent straps, so nothing will show. Again, you'll be very comfortable, which I think is amazing because it's in cotton. So yeah, it's just comfortable and handy. To all my beauties out there who get uncomfortable wearing these tricky bras, don't you guys worry. So I got this miracle bra. This is like the I mean, first of all, it's way too soft, like the fabric, and it's non-wired, non-padded with like a nice thick strap, so it's going to be giving you a nice support overall. And this just makes you feel like कि कुछ भी नहीं पहना हुआ है, and it will give you a really nice soft effect ऊपर से, and there will be no harsh lines जो कि मेरा बहुत बड़ा concern होता है. And even this is my first time when I got this and I tried it with one of my organza tops, and वो बहुत ही sheer होते हैं, so I always get confused कि मैं क्या पहनूँ, and I just tried this under that top and ऐसा लग रहा था It's nothing. I moved around so freely. It just make me feel so nice, and because इसमें कोई भी वायर नहीं है, it's just so comfortable and it's so light on your chest, and it also is light because of this thick strap जो कि बहुत अच्छा support and control देता है तुम्हारे shoulders पे. It's just a one time investment, and just imagine तुम कितने सारे tops and dresses and blouses and t-shirts, I mean choices all yours, तुम कितना चला सकते हो. So yeah, just love it. And as you already know, you can use my coupon code Sonia Zivame for additional 10% discount, so you won't be having any regrets later on. Okay, so next I have this strapless bra which comes with its removable straps right over here. I love this bra so much that I ordered a new one, as I already have one, because you guys know I love wearing off-shoulder tops and dresses so much, and this beauty helps me in that a lot. And why this bra? Because one problem which everyone face in these strapless bras is they just keep falling, but that thing does not happen in this one because of this silicone grip. As you can see, this thing, it just sticks very nicely to your skin, and yeah, that just won't fall off. And again, this is like a wired bra with 3/4 coverage, so it's gonna keep you covered. बहुत ही decent coverage देता है, and it just keeps you comfortable and fresh throughout the whole day. I mean, it just make you feel very comfortable. ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि ओ अभी slip off हो रहा है, ऐसा वाला बिल्कुल भी feeling नहीं देता. You can later adjust the straps and wear it under your t-shirt as well. So yeah, choice is all yours. सोनिया, बाहर पार्टीज में जाके कौन सी ब्रा पहननी है वो सब ठीक है, बट घर पे क्या पहनने? I have an answer for you for that also. So I have this bra for you guys. Oh, this is just amazing. I mean, this opens at front. Yeah, this is not the back, this is the front. This is like perfect for people like me who are like super duper lazy. I mean, I'm that person who still wear my bra like this, तो उसको ऐसे twist करा and then straps पहना. तुम्हें समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? Yes, we are buddies. So this is the solution for that, and this is something जो कि तुम घर पे ना ऐसे आराम से पहन के chill कर सकते हो. This is like non-wired full coverage bra, and it has like nice decent elasticity also, so you are going to be like super chill and comfortable. ऐसा लगेगा कुछ पहना ही नहीं हुआ है. And again, no harsh lines are going to be there, which is like the perfect thing to have in a bra. But yeah, this is just amazing. Also, it has like a double layer thing, so like कुछ नहीं bulging outside नहीं होगा. I have shared this thing in some of my previous videos as well. Like for the longest time, I had no idea what to wear even under a t-shirt, and मैं बस ऐसे ही घूम रही हूँ बाहर and बहुत harsh lines दिख रही हैं. It was too weird and uncomfortable, but later on, as I talked to more people and as I grew up, I got to know that there's actually a bra for your t-shirts. Yes, so here's the t-shirt bra right over here. I mean, just this thing right over here is going to give you a really nice effect in your t-shirts. Like there will be no harsh lines, nothing of that sort. It's gonna make you feel more confident and presentable, जो कि I guess बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है whenever you're meeting someone. I mean, if you are comfortable, then only you will look more confident, if that's making any sense. And can you see this crisscross thing which is happening right over here? It gives you additional support. यही तो चाहिए. I need all the support in the world, and this is sort of giving me that. Look at here, no stitching, nothing of that sort. It's wired and 3/4 coverage it's giving you, but the support is amazing. It's gonna make you feel comfortable, and you're gonna rock the world even in a t-shirt. बस यही चाहिए. Boys are already enough to make our lives hard, so don't let your bras make you feel the same way. With that being said, I have linked everything in description box down for you guys, and you can also use my special code Sonia Zivame for additional 10% discount. And not to forget that Zivame's breakup sale is happening on 3rd Feb at 8 PM, where they're having free shipping and up to 50% discount going on, and you can even go for return and exchange within 15 days and go crazy, because they're having crazy discounts in each of their categories like lingerie, activewear, sleepwear, loungewear ho gaya, everything basically on their whole website. So yeah, go crazy, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.